Do you feel an energy crash in the middle of the day? If you often experience a sudden drop in energy around 3 p.m., it might be a sign that your diet needs more attention. Your body gives off warning signs when it's not getting the proper nutrients it needs. These signs can show up in different ways. And today, we'll go over 8 common ones that might indicate your diet needs a change. From brain fog to digestive issues, these signals are your body's way of telling you to pay closer attention to what you're eating. Let's dive in and discover how simple changes can make a big difference in your energy and overall well-being. 1. Persistent afternoon slumps. Do you find yourself struggling to stay awake around 3 p.m.? It's like clockwork, and you can't seem to avoid it. If this sounds familiar, your diet could be to blame. Afternoon slumps are often linked to diets that are high in refined sugars and processed carbohydrates. These types of foods cause your blood sugar levels to spike, only to crash shortly after, leaving you feeling sluggish and low on energy. When you consume too many processed foods, your blood sugar levels fluctuate, which affects your energy levels and can cause fatigue at the most inconvenient times. The good news? Small changes, like reducing your intake of sugary snacks and opting for whole grains and complex carbohydrates, can help prevent afternoon crashes. The key is to find a balance and stabilize your blood sugar throughout the day. You'll notice that not only will your energy improve, but your mood will also lift. Plus, you'll find it easier to stay productive all day long. 2. Frequent brain fog. Do you often find it hard to concentrate or focus on tasks? If you experience that fuzzy, cloudy feeling in your brain that makes it difficult to think clearly, you might not be fueling your body properly. Brain fog is a common sign that your brain isn't getting the high-quality nutrients it needs to function at its best. Whole foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, like leafy greens, berries, and healthy fats, are essential for cognitive function. Without enough of these, your brain struggles to operate efficiently, leading to that sluggish, foggy sensation. So what can you do about it? Start incorporating more whole foods into your diet, like fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. These foods not only nourish your body, but also support brain health, improving focus and memory. This simple tweak can help clear the fog and restore your mental sharpness, making it easier to stay focused and productive throughout the day. Your brain will thank you. 3. Brittle hair and nails. Have you noticed that your hair is thinning or your nails are breaking more easily? This could be a sign that your diet is missing some key nutrients. Biotin, B7, iron, and protein are vital for maintaining healthy hair and nails. When your body lacks these nutrients, it prioritizes more essential organs, like the heart and brain, leaving your hair and nails to suffer. Biotin, found in foods like eggs, nuts, and seeds, is crucial for hair growth and nail strength. Protein is also important, so ensure you're eating enough from sources like lean meats, fish, and legumes. Iron-rich foods, such as spinach and lentils, help deliver oxygen to hair follicles, promoting healthier hair and nails. By adding these nutrients to your diet, you can improve the health of your hair and nails. Not only will your hair become stronger and more vibrant, but your nails will be less likely to break or peel. A balanced diet with biotin, protein, and iron can support your overall health and appearance, leaving you feeling better and looking your best. Make these simple adjustments, and you'll notice the difference in no time. For irritability or hanger, if you often find yourself feeling moody or short-tempered, especially when you're hungry, you might be experiencing blood sugar fluctuations. This is a common symptom of not getting enough magnesium or B vitamins, both of which are crucial for regulating neurotransmitters like serotonin. These neurotransmitters are responsible for maintaining your mood. So when you're deficient in these nutrients, you may feel more irritable and hangry throughout the day. To combat this, try to maintain a steady intake of whole foods rich in magnesium, such as leafy greens, seeds, and nuts. B vitamins, which can be found in foods like eggs, dairy, and whole grains, are equally important for keeping your mood in check. By keeping your blood sugar levels stable and your nutrient intake balanced, you'll notice a significant improvement in your emotional well-being. Say goodbye to hangry moments and hello to a calmer, more balanced mood throughout the day. 5. Slow wound healing. Have you noticed that your cuts, bruises, or injuries take longer to heal than they used to? If so, your diet might be missing key nutrients like vitamin C or zinc. These nutrients are crucial for tissue repair and immune function, and when you're lacking them, your body struggles to heal wounds efficiently. Vitamin C helps with collagen production, which is essential for skin repair, while zinc plays a vital role in immune health and tissue regeneration. To support faster healing, focus on incorporating more zinc-rich foods, such as beans, nuts, and seeds, into your diet. Vitamin C-rich foods like citrus fruits, bell peppers, and broccoli are equally important for boosting your body's healing process. By getting the right nutrients, you'll give your body the tools it needs to recover quickly and efficiently. Plus, you'll be supporting your overall immune function, keeping you healthy and resilient. 6. Constant digestive discomfort. Are you frequently experiencing bloating, gas, or irregular bowel movements? These uncomfortable symptoms can be a clear sign that something's off in your digestive system. One common cause is a lack of fiber in the diet, or it could be due to dehydration or food intolerances. Fiber is essential for maintaining regular bowel movements and healthy digestion, and without enough of it, your digestive system struggles to function properly. To fix this, focus on adding more fiber-rich foods to your meals, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Drinking plenty of water also helps keep things moving in your digestive system. If you suspect food intolerances are causing issues, it might be a good idea to keep a food diary and identify which foods trigger discomfort. By addressing the root causes of digestive discomfort, you'll feel more comfortable and improve your overall health. 7. Always feeling chilly. If you're cold all the time, even when others aren't, it could be a sign that your diet is lacking in iron or that you're not consuming enough calories. Iron plays a critical role in helping your body regulate its temperature by supporting red blood cell production. Without enough iron, your body's ability to circulate oxygen effectively diminishes, which can leave you feeling cold and fatigued. Additionally, not eating enough can slow down your metabolism, leaving you feeling chilly. To combat this, focus on iron-rich foods like spinach, red meat, and lentils. If you're vegetarian or vegan, consider incorporating iron-fortified foods and pairing them with vitamin C-rich foods to improve absorption. Also, ensure you're eating enough throughout the day to keep your metabolism running smoothly. By addressing these issues, you'll feel warmer and more energized, helping you stay comfortable throughout the day. 8. Bleeding gums. Red, swollen, or bleeding gums can be a sign that your diet lacks sufficient vitamin C. This vitamin is essential for healthy gums and teeth, and a deficiency can lead to gum disease, poor oral health, and even more serious health issues. Vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant and helps your body produce collagen, which is important for maintaining strong gum tissue. To improve your gum health, focus on adding more vitamin C-rich foods to your diet, like oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, and leafy greens. You can also consider taking a vitamin C supplement if you're concerned about your intake. By addressing a vitamin C deficiency, you'll support better gum health and prevent further complications. Plus, good oral health is a crucial part of your overall well-being, so it's important to keep your gums healthy with proper nutrition and care. If you've noticed any of these signs in your body, it's time to make some small but impactful changes to your diet. By making adjustments and giving your body the right nutrients, you'll feel more energized and healthier in no time. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tips on how to improve your overall well-being. Share this video with your friends so they can benefit too, and let us know in the comments if you have any personal experiences or additional tips to share. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.